99ers, today we are tailgating for the 4th of July. So when you're out there to watch those fireworks, make sure you do the 99 before you hit it up.
They're getting a nice little table set up ready for Desiree's grilling action. We got some s'mores.
Let's get grilling.
You know, just put it up and put a little bit in there.
Okay, ready?
Ah, perfect!
Yeah. Woo! All right, we're on a roll, guys.
We are making bacon wrapped hot dogs, street style. So you get your piece of bacon in your hot dog, start at the end, and just wrap around.
She's a professional bacon wrapper.
I am.
Well done.
Well done. And there you go, nice and purdy. We ready to go.
All right, our bacon wrapped hot dogs are ready for the grill. So, I think our coals are nice and hot now. Let's check and see. Right, be very careful. But let's place our bacon wrapped hot dogs right on the grill.
Scorched.
We're running kind of hot, so this is way fun. Alrighty, for our tailgating for the 4th of July, we've got a bunch of snacks and goodies for all of your friends and family. So you make your bacon wrapped hot dogs, and make sure you have all your condiments, your buns. We've even got jalapenos to make it nice and spicy, the way I like it. And we also have a build your own s'more station, because I don't know if you know, but the 99 carries these awesome s'more grilling cooker things that are just awesome. And there you have it.
Got our hot dogs ready. Bun me, please.
Beautiful. It's Dijon mustard.
It sure is.
All right, so this 4th of July, make sure you do the 99 for all of your tailgating needs. See you later, 99ers. Hey, 99ers, today we are tailgating for the 4th of July. So not a lot of you guys, when you're set up to watch those fireworks for the 4th of July. Amy's way better. It's full of ice and drinks. It's not very smart.
You want to put that down?
Does that look like I'm struggling? Oh, no, it's on fire. Girl, stop. It's okay.
This is going to be a special kind of video.
What not to do on the 4th of July.